Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance. It's a classic, the Rip. The song is Staten Island Groove. It's a special remix, and the artist is Down to the Bone, and the choreography is unknown. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is a demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. This dance is like 5 minutes long, so I'm only going to do one rotation, okay? And let's get it. And it goes into a remix, so it continues on for 5 minutes. It's called The Rip. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.